Well, everybody, good morning. This is Coach Lottie Ann, and I want to say to you all, let's do this. Hey, guys, um, I'm in my room right now. I just wanted to actually connect with you guys. This is a brand new day, and today is a different day because I decided to make a change. What kind of change? I'm going to tell you. I actually going to start a 90-day program with Wesley Virgin. And my mind is already made up. I'm set with my mindset to take that challenge and that to reprogram my mind spiritually, mentally, and physically. I'm going to change my habit of eating, getting back on my diet. Guys, I used to be a type 2 diabetic, and believe it or not, I was under remission. No longer was taking blood pressure medication. I was no longer taking metformin. And all of a sudden, I got out of control with my diet because of being depressed, being stressed out with work. And I lost my mentality. I lost my way of thinking, right? Um, Being discouraged because being in under poverty, not making enough means, and you get to the point where you get so tired. I don't tired, and I have gotten to the place where I'm so tired of it all, guys. My work situation right now is very stressful because I work with COVID patients, and they don't pay us extra, and my health is at risk, and I'm under a lot of pressure. And when you have a husband that tells you, hey, you need to work more hours, I don't like my job right now because of the health issues that are going on. I see a lot of people dying every day. I see people have caught that COVID and they have passed away. Believe me or not, guys, in reality, it's real. There's a lot of people that want to wear masks out there, but they don't work in a situation where a nurse is one to one with them. And so the nurses are stressed out. But it's not just the nurses, the CNAs too, because we are in the personal environment of taking them care of them personally. And that's a lot of risk we take. But guys, not only that, I am so sick and tired of seeing my paycheck every 2 weeks. It's so little. I'm not worth that much, really. According to Virgin Wesley, he said to take a piece of your paycheck, lift it up. Are you worth that much money? No, I'm not worth that much. I'm worth much more because God intended me to have more abundance in my life, not to live under poverty, not to live a lifestyle where you're going to be down and be kept down and in control by the world. No. You know what? I'm so tired of living in a controlled environment, always pleasing people, always putting in the back of my mind what the potential dreams and goals that I really want to do. I have been struggling to reach those dreams, guys. Why? I'm going to tell you why. I have a why. I have a why. And my why is Wesley Virgin is I'm tired of living this worldly controlled lifestyle. I'm tired of people telling me what to do this, do that, and forget about myself. You know what? And even if I make enough money, my money is not enough. I can't even touch that money sometimes because I have a spouse that says we don't have enough to, or it has to go to this bill, it has to go to that bill. And even if I work 2 jobs, I can't even use my own money like the way I want to use it. And so, you know, I'm tired of being controlled. And my husband tries to control me. All right. You ever had a spouse that wants to control you and they don't understand that they're controlling you? Well, I have a husband that does that. And he's not going to like this video because I'm tired of him controlling me. I'm tired of my work, my boss telling me what to do. I'm tired of living the means of the money I have is all I have. No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna sit. I'm not gonna sit back and say no. I'm gonna sit back and say, hell no. I'm not worth that much. I'm worth more. And I'm doing this 90-day challenge with Virgin. I found him on the internet. I don't know why. I found him on the YouTube channel. All of a sudden, he was just popped up in front of his. I just popped up one of his videos. I just started watching him, and the more I watched him, I was like curious. And his course he talks about is the mindset to change, the lifestyle. You can have this, you can have that. And I've heard his story, and he was worse off than me. You know, everybody is at a level where they're worse, at their worst place. And I'm tired of that worst place, so I'm going to make a change. This morning, I just juiced. In a long time, I haven't been juicing. I have one of those Ninja, really great juicer. And I juice spinach and carrots and tomatoes, a little bit of orange, and I just drank one. So I feel my body is feeling good right now because I put good food inside of me, right? So now I have been listening to the videos that overnight success, and I've been watching that. I've been setting up my done for you services and I'm actually taking a change and a chance and just do it. I'm not gonna risk it anymore. I'm not gonna play around anymore. And I need to be under a right mentor that's going to help me reprogram my mind, because it is my mindset that has stopped me from being successful. It's my thinking. Even if you try all kinds of affiliate programs out there, I was under Mob. Mob was a disaster, guys. It was a failure. I spent lots of money. I've been on internet marketing, affiliate marketing for a long time, struggled with my money, struggled to get ahead, try to make sales. And it's so hard if your mind is not programmed the right way of thinking. And I know that's the blockage. I know in subconscious in my mind, I know that's my blockage. That's blocking me from reaching my potential where God intended me to be prosperous. Okay, guys, God intends you to be prosperous. So you need to follow Him. All right, guys, I'm a Christian. I'm a believer. I believe in Jesus. And I know I am the head. I'm not the tail. I am a child of God, and I am special to Him, and He wants us to be at our best. So we have to be in the best condition for Him, mentally, spiritually, and just all around, mentally, spiritually, emotional, and physical. And we all got to be connected. So I decided today the 90-day challenge was to make that juice this morning. I'm thinking of putting on my I guess all the gyms are closed. So I'm gonna take my dog for a walk. I'm gonna put my gym clothes. I'm gonna start doing some stretches, and I'm gonna go run. And I gotta stay connected with my health. Um, Actually, this through all this COVID has been really kind of like discouraging me, because we can't do what we want to do, like enjoy. Like I used to go to Disneyland. I used to go to the gym. I used to go to the movies, and we can't even do that right now because of this COVID situation. And so I know people's lives have changed. People have been down in the dumps because they don't know what to do anymore. Some have lost their job. You know, I'm lucky that I have a CNA job, but my life and my job is a risk, okay? Because it's a risk of my life and my risk of my health, because this COVID is so contagious that, you know, people don't even realize. People are starting to come out. They're doing the phase 1, phase 2, whatever, phase 3, but they don't even realize out there it's still dangerous, because people are dying every day. I see it. I see it in ICU. Our ICU at our hospital is full. It is full, guys. People are on that respiratory machine. People are dying, especially the elderly, especially those that have multiple problems with their health. You, People from my staff have caught that COVID, but they survived. Okay, um, and guys, this is no joke. This is not. People are out there, they're partying, they're going to the beach, and some of them are not even wearing any mask, and I don't understand why. But Some people are scared, and I'm tired of being locked up, guys. I'm tired of being locked up in my room. So that's why I started doing my internet business. One of the things that has robbed me is that I can't do my craft shows anymore. And I'm a crafter, guys. I crochet. I love making little amigurumi animals. I love making all kinds of animals. And I used to do like 2, 3, 4 craft shows. And now it's like I can't do any of that. And just recently, this past weekend, they just opened the Cypress Swap meet, and I want to set up there, but I don't want to set up there yet. I don't think it's right. I don't think it's the time yet. Until they find a solution for the COVID, then everything will be okay. All right. There's no vaccine for it, and I'm always at risk, so I don't want to take that chance, guys. And you shouldn't too. Now I'm in my room. I'm sitting comfortably, and I'm making a video of. Probably going to upload this video too, but I'm actually doing this a live video. I'm going to just directly upload it on YouTube. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do is I have just started this business, and this is a mindset course that's going to change my whole mentality. And I think I'm changing slowly because I have watched some of the videos this morning, and I did some crying too because I feel like I'm fed up. I feel like I'm at the urge of just a breakthrough of my life, that I am so tired of living the lifestyle I have been living, and now I'm gonna have to take that that step and do it. Do what I need to do to actually get out of my lifestyle with the way I'm living and not limit myself. So, guys, I made this video, and I've already joined this program, and I've already picked a domain name, and my domain name is beyondmymanifestation.com. And I chose that name because there's going to be changes in my life. There's going to be manifestation taking place beyond my means, that I am not in control, but will be able to be in control. But God is number one. He's going to be the number one manifestation in my life, because that's what I want. All right, guys, take care. This is a live video from me. I just uploaded it this morning, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't want to do any editing in this video at all. Okay, I'm just want to just straight upload it and enjoy it, and let's do this program. Thanks, Wesley Virgin. Thank you so much. All right, talk to you soon, guys.